हेलो डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, वेलकम टू डॉक्टर सोरस क्लासेस। और आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं आईएसएस दैट मींस इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल सर्विस का पेपर 1 का एग्जामिनेशन का रिसेंट पास्ट पेपर का सॉल्यूशन। अगर आपको हमारे तरफ से कोई क्लासेस की ज़रूरत है, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सॉल्यूशन, मॉक टेस्ट, स्टडी मटेरियल, any of that, please don't hesitate, please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sources himself reply to your query through WhatsApp. So let's start with question number 32. Question number 32 में क्या बोला गया है? Let the joint distribution x and y be given by f of xy is cxy to the power xy e to the power minus x square plus y square if x greater than 0 and y greater than 0 and is 0 otherwise 0. So with reference to above consider the following statement. The value of c for f of xy to be a proper probability density function is 4, and the probability of p of x square greater than 2y square is 1 by 3, and x and y are independently distributed. So यहाँ पर तीन तो स्टेटमेंट है, ये कैसे एनालाइज करेंगे इस स्टेटमेंट को देख लीजिए. ओके, सो फॉर एनालाइजिंग स्टेटमेंट 1, पहले स्टेटमेंट 1 को एनालाइज करते हैं. फॉर एफ एक्स वाई टू बी अ प्रॉपर पीडीएफ इंटीग्रल f of xy over all possible values x and y must be equal to 1. So this means integration of 0 to infinite over integration of 0 to infinite cxye whole to the power minus e to the power minus x square plus y square dx dy equals to 1. So let's compute the integral step by step. First, separate the variables using polar coordinates. Let's take x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta. So dx dy equals to dx into dy equals to r dr d theta. Since x greater than 0 and y greater than 0, here since x greater than 0 and y greater than 0, theta ranges from 0 to pi by 2. So that means integration of 0 to infinite, another place of integration of 0 to infinite cxye whole to the power minus x square plus y square dx dy, that means c into integration of 0 to infinite and 0 to pi by 2 r cos theta, r sin theta, r cos theta into r sin theta into e to the power minus r square d theta dr, and this simplifies to 3 equals to c into integration of 0 to infinite and over put 0 to pi by 2. The value is r cube cos theta sin theta e to the power minus r square d theta dr. Okay, so we can separate the integrals. We can separate the integrals. So c into integration of 0 to infinite r cube into e to the power minus r square dr into integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos theta sin theta d theta, cos theta sin theta d theta. Okay, so first solve r integral, that means equals to integration of 0 to infinite r cube into e to the power minus r square dr then let u equals to r square, then du equals to 2r dr, that means equals to 2r dr, or that means dr equals to r equals to r into dr equals to half of du. So integration of 0 to infinite r cube e to the power minus r square dr equals to integration of 0 to infinite r square into r e to the power r square dr. Okay, that means half of integral of 0 to infinite u e to the power minus u du, that means the value is half of gamma of 2 equals to half into 1, that means half. So next solve the theta integral. So here integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos theta sin theta d theta, that means let u equals to sin theta, then du equals to cos theta d theta. So for integral sine of 0 to pi by 2 cos theta sin theta d theta means u integration of 0 to 1 integration of 0 to 1 u into du, that means half. Okay, so the integral becomes c into half into half, that means 1, that means c into 1 by 4 equals to 1, so the value of c will be 4. So the statement 1 is correct statement here. Okay, And then we can analyze the next statement, statement 2. In statement 2, the probability of p of x square greater than 2y square is 1 by 3. Let's find the probability of p of x square greater than 2y square equals to integration of 0 to infinite over integration of 0 to 0 to root under x square by 2 4xye whole to the power x square plus y square dy by dx. Okay, so let y equals to root under x square by 2. That means p probability of x square greater than 2y square equals to 4 into integration of 0 to infinite and into 0 to pi by 2, sorry, x by root 2 equals to xye whole to the power e to the power minus x square plus y square dy by dx. Okay, so using suitable change of the variable symmetry arguments in the integration, we can determine this probability without the detailed calculation here. Let's state is directly. This probability calculation can be shown to be 1 by 3 by evaluating in the integral correctly. So the statement 2 is also correct. यहाँ पर statement 2 भी करेक्ट हो गया. और लास्ट स्टेटमेंट में क्या देखेंगे, एनालाइज करेंगे. लास्ट स्टेटमेंट में क्या बोला है स्टेटमेंट 3 में. In statement 3, x or y independently distributed. For x and y to be independently distributed, there must be fxy must be product of f of xy must be product of two functions. So one depending only on x and other only on y. So f of xy equals to g of x into h of y. So given f of xy equals to 4xye whole to the power x square plus y square, this is not separable into the product of two functions. Therefore x and y are not independently distributed. So statement 3 here incorrect. Okay, so यहाँ पर करेक्ट ऑप्शन कौन सा हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर हेयर. 2 and 3 only. Sorry, not B. Option A will be the correct answer. 1 and 2 only. ऐसे ही बहुत सारा स्टेटमेंट को आप जानने के लिए जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ. हमारे चैनल को फॉलो करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए. आज के लिए इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.